All right, everybody, welcome back. With summer at our front doors, we're all prepping for those swimsuit days. Hey. And my next guest has been helping us lose weight and keep it off by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Please welcome back my buddy, the creator of the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse, my friend A.D. Dolphin, everybody.
Hey, Steve.
Yeah. Now, man, me and you, we've probably had more conversations about this than anybody in media with me. Tell everybody why it's so important to cleanse your body of toxins.
Steve, think about the pollution, the things that we're breathing in as far as like the air quality, the things that we eat as far as like the processed food, the things that we're drinking, the alcoholic drinks, the sugary drinks, things along those lines. Those things adversely affect your body and hurt your body from performing as it should. And the cleanse, what it's gonna do is help you eliminate that toxic waste so your body can perform better. The purpose of the cleanse is to clean out all your major eliminative channels. That's your gallbladder, your heart, your liver, your colon, your spleen, your lungs, your kidneys, your adrenal glands, your blood, and your skin. It's gonna flush out all the impurities in those particular areas of your body so your body can perform better.